The global manufacturing industry is rapidly evolving. As other regions race ahead, Europe stands at a critical crossroads. It's a wake-up call. How can Europe regain its competitive edge? The key lies in innovation. Breakthrough technologies like AI, advanced robotics and materials are not just trends. They are enablers of building Europe's competitiveness. EIT Manufacturing connects startups, industrial corporates, SMEs, universities and research centres, growing Europe's largest manufacturing community and driving progress. People are at the core of innovation. To meet future demands, we need to train talent with the right skills and build confidence in future entrepreneurs. Our community is where ideas, talent and opportunities converge. We help businesses enhance their value chains through collaboration and expanded network, boosting Europe's autonomy. At the same time, we accelerate circularity, strengthening resilience and ensuring a greener future for the next generations. While progress has been made, much remains to be done. Join us to lead the change. Together, we are improving people's lives through sustainable manufacturing.